privilege to be here at this amazing 25th anniversary with Harvest Crusade. It's such an honor for the band to be back. Thank you so much for coming. I hope you have an absolutely awesome night. We've got a little bit more music to play. It's my job to make sure everybody here loses your voice, so let me ask you a question. Do you feel like getting loud? That's not bad at all. Do you feel like getting crazy?